What's a cheap and easy way to fix your shocks? Check this out. Alright, so the last time I wrecked it, the shock popped off. This threading popped apart, and I lost my my little bladder there. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to kind of cannibalize another shock I have. I'm going to take this one apart and take the bladder out so I can fix this shock here. Oops. This is why you want a cup, so you can get all that gross oil out. See, it's pretty gross. Probably should change that. But I'm not using these shocks, I just need the bladder. So, it's not there. There it is. That's what I need to get out. So what you want to do is you want to take your oil and fill it up about 2/3 way and cycle the piston almost all the way up and down, get all the air bubbles out, leave it upright for about 15-20 minutes or so, make sure all the air bubbles are out, and then fill it up the rest of the way with the silicone before you put the bladder on there. One trick I have to use is this, so you don't have to hold the shocks. You go ahead and ghetto-rig your little shock holder out of an old egg carton. Works just fine. You don't have to use a hot racing stand or something expensive. Maybe a little more. Yeah. And you just want to cycle it up and down. Make sure you get the oil in there and all the bubbles out. Okay. You want to let it sit, let any air bubbles that are in there come out, and then fill it up in about 15 minutes. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. Go ahead and fill this up almost all the way to the top. Out to right there. You can see it's just under the level of the top of the shock. Put your bladder on there, little diaphragm, whatever you want to call it. You can use a screwdriver or something to push it in if you want. Make sure it's in there. If some of the oil comes out, that's fine. Here. All right. Oops. Yep. Tight enough. Don't damage your shocks with metal tools on the plastic parts. Alright, nice and tight. Got that shock in. And let's see if it works. You want to see it push back out. That's what you want to see. So when you push it in, you want to see it push back out as it's doing. Nice. Now we got some damp action. Thank you for watching. I can just watch this all day. Nice. So when you push it in, you want to see it push back out as it's doing. Nice.